Oh, it's going to be a messy one today.
What's up, boys and girls? Mr. Exquisite here, back with another EATV episode. And finally, after about 3 to 4 days of bright sunshine, we got rain. But that doesn't stop the grind. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 ways to make your car stand out in a crowd. And we're going to start right now.
Let's go.
First and foremost is a custom set of wheels. The biggest bang for your buck that you're going to get, hands down, is going to be this. Whether it's a big set of chrome wheels, a smaller set of, say, like Japanese style type wheels, skinny wheels, wide wheels, chrome, painted, whatever it might be, that's going to draw attention to your car. I can't tell you how many times I've been riding down the road and see a car with custom wheels, and it automatically makes the car look 10 times better. The second thing to make your ride stand out in a crowd is a custom exhaust. How many times have you been riding down the road and you hear the sweet sound of a deep, mellow V8 rumble going down the road, and it automatically makes you snap your head around? Or how many times have you been riding down the road or walking down a sidewalk and hear the sweet exhaust of an exotic go by? You automatically look. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can go about this. You can go full catback, you can go straight pipe, you can go just straight mufflers, you can go cutouts, automatic cutouts, to where you keep your factory mufflers, but you put them in front of the muffler and it just opens up and bypasses them. If you want to get recognized, if you want people to snap their head around on a swivel to look at your car and to see who is that, install a custom exhaust. The third thing that you can do to make your car stand out is a little phrase I like to use called change the altitude, change the attitude. And whether this is lowering your car or raising your truck or lowering your truck, if you change the stance of it, it automatically draws attention. Think back to the golden years of hot rods and the LA scene, or anything like that. They raked their hot rods high in the back, low in the front. A very aggressive stance. Made them unique, made them eye-popping. People want to look at them. People wondered, what was that? How'd they do that? Now today you can do that static drop, lowering springs, coilovers, or whatnot. You can go full air ride. And of course now you got your monster lift kits that replace everything in the factory. And in my case, in my opinion, a lot of those aftermarket suspensions ride better than factory. So if you want, when you're driving down the road, people to go, whoa, change the altitude, change the attitude, raise or lower your vehicle. Number 4 is probably the easiest thing to do, and that is to keep your car clean. Regular washing, regular details will make your car stand out, or make your truck stand out against anybody's in the parking lot. I don't even care if you don't have a custom car. If you have a factory car, how many times have you been in a parking lot, or you've been going down the road or whatever, and you see an ultra clean car and you go, man, that person must really take care of their car. They are very proud of it. Keep your car clean, keep your truck clean, keep your motorcycle clean. You're gonna grab attention. Make sure that the paint is popping, make sure the tires are shining, make sure the windows are crystal clear. Keep your car clean. That's number 4. Fifth and final way to make your car stand out is don't forget the accessories. Now, I'm not telling you go to AutoZone, go to the accessory aisle and buy every sticker or every decal or anything they got in that aisle. Don't go buy all that stuff. What I am telling you is little things. window tint, underglow, things of that nature. You'd be surprised how little tidbits, little subtle add-ons will make your car stand out. If you're someone that likes to ride at night, likes to cruise, put the underglow, put the wheel rings in, the light up wheel rings, put all that stuff in. Make your car stand out, make it unique. Put your interior glow in. A lot of cars nowadays come with illuminated lighting on the inside. Very simple to do. I done it in this car. Simple, 4 strips of LEDs underneath the dash, underneath the seats. At night, I got lighting, and I can switch it, make it go all kinds of different colors and anything. But that's beside the point. Add the accessories in a tasteful manner, and it'll make your car stand out. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Share this with a friend. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to run some errands. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.